Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for DoorDash on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your DoorDash application. If you don't have the app yet, go to your app store and download DoorDash application on your mobile device. Once you have it, tap it on to launch it on. If you already have a DoorDash account, you can choose one of these options over here and follow the on-screen prompts in order to continue logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, tap the sign up button at the top and go ahead and fill in the information. You can also continue signing up with your Google account, with your Facebook account, or with your Apple account. Choose any one option or fill in your information in the text boxes below if you want to sign up with an email address and a password. In the first name text box, type in your first name. Go ahead and type in your last name on the next. Enter an email address that you'd like to sign up with for your DoorDash account. From the drop down where it says phone, select your country code, enter your mobile number on the next field, and create a password for yourself into the password text box. Finally, after filling in all of the information, tap on sign up. Now, on the next page, allow your DoorDash to use your location by tapping on allow once or allow while using app. Tap on the continue button at the bottom and you'll be able to sign up for a DoorDash account. DoorDash is an on-demand food delivery service that lets you order food and drinks from a restaurant in your areas. Once an account has been created, you can discover nearby places that delivers you your favorite food. In order to log into your DoorDash application using your iPhone, tap open your DoorDash app from the app drawer. If you don't have the app yet, open up your app store and get the app downloaded for your mobile device. Once you tap open DoorDash application, you'll be able to see this interface. You can log into your existing account by choosing one of the options over here. You can choose continue with email. If you signed up using your Google account, tap continue with Google and so on. In my case, I'm going to choose continue with email. Tap on the red button and make sure to choose the sign in tab from the top of the screen. Now, enter your email address in the first text box that is associated with your DoorDash account. Now, on the next field, enter your password that is associated with your account. In case you don't remember your password, tap on forgot your password link beneath. Finally, after typing in your credentials correct, tap the sign in button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your DoorDash app right away from your mobile device. Tap open your DoorDash application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in first. Now, tap on the Account tab at the bottom right and from your Account tab, scroll down under Account Settings and tap on Personal Information. Right under your email address, you'll be able to see an option that says Change your password. Tap it on and enter your old password in the first text box. Once you do that, type in your new password you'd like to change to on the next. Go to the Confirm New Password text box and type in the new password once again. Finally, after updating your password, tap on Change My Password button at the bottom. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your DoorDash application. If you want to start becoming a dasher on DoorDash, then here are some few steps you could follow. Open up a web browser or you can also download the DoorDash Dasher application on your smartphone. If you're doing this on your web browser, go to the URL box and type in dasher.doordash.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in this page where you can sign up and become a driver or a dasher on DoorDash. Enter your zip code or your postal code in the text box appearing on the left-hand side of the screen and click on the next button. Now, you'll need to provide an email address. Simply enter a valid email address in the text box that you have an access to. Click on the next button after you are done. Choose your country code from the left-hand side and enter the phone number you'd like to register in order to become a dasher. After you are done, click sign up. Now, once your mobile number will be verified, you'll be guided on further instructions and you'll be able to join in to DoorDash, becoming a dasher or a driver. That is how it can be easily done. If you want to join in to DoorDash as a restaurant, then it's quite easy to do that. You can simply open up your DoorDash application or you can go to a web browser. In the URL box, type in get.doordash doordash.com and press enter on your keyboard, or you can simply type in www.doordash.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official site of DoorDash. Scroll down and click on this Become a Partner option. Look for this Become a Partner option and click on Sign Up Your Store. Soon after you click on that link, you'll be taken to this page where you can fill in your information. Type in your business name in the first text box, select your business address. Once you've done that, head over to the next field and enter your email address for your business. Type in your phone number on the next and select your business type from the drop down at the bottom. Finally, click on the Get Started button and you'll need to fill in the rest of the information on the next page. Type in your first name in the first text box and then your last name on the next. Your email, your country, and your phone number you will already be typed in. Now create a password for your account and click on Sign Up button at the bottom. Now you'll need to choose the plan that fits your business needs. You can choose from Basic, Plus, or Premier. Select any one according to your preference, and then on the next page, select how you'd like to receive orders for your restaurant. Provide the information that is needed on this page and click on the Next button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to join DoorDash as a restaurant. Once you submit your application, the DoorDash team will review your application and approve it. Simply wait for the approval and you'll be good to go. That was how you can easily join in DoorDash as a restaurant. If you want to change your delivery address as a customer on DoorDash, then first open up a web browser and go to the URL box at the top and type in www.doordash.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website, click on the sign in button and you'll end up in the login area. Type in your credential for your DoorDash account and sign into your account. Once you're logged into your DoorDash account, go to the top of the screen and you'll be able to see your delivery address. Simply click on this address and enter your address you'd like to change to in the text box. Once you do that, select the address from the search results. Make sure to select the correct address. Click on Adjust PIN and locate your address from the map and click on Save. Now, you can also provide your apartment number or your suite number. And if you have any delivery instructions, go ahead and enter it right here at the bottom text box. Select the drop-off option and click on the Save button in order to change your address on DoorDash. Once you click Save, this will become your new default delivery address. That is how you can edit your address on DoorDash as a customer. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the web address bar type in www.doordash.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of DoorDash. Make sure that you're logged into your account by entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner. This will bring up a pop-up menu. Click on the gift card option from the expanded menu and you'll end up in this page. In this page, you can buy a gift card or redeem an existing gift card by entering your PIN code. If you've already got a gift card, type in the gift card PIN into the text box beneath. Once you do that, click on Redeem Gift Card button right beneath and you'll be able to redeem your gift card for DoorDash. Open up a web browser of your choice and log into your DoorDash account first. Here I have my DoorDash account logged in. Once you're inside the main home page, click on the horizontal bars at the top left-hand corner and from the expanded options, click on Orders. If there is any ongoing orders on your DoorDash account, you'll be able to see it listed right here on this page. In my case, it's not showing me anything since I've not yet made any kind of an order from DoorDash. From the list, you'll be able to see a button that says Cancel Order. Simply give it a click. In order to cancel the order from DoorDash, now simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to cancel any order that you've made on DoorDash unless it's already delivered to you. If you think your DoorDash account has been compromised and you'd like to do something about it, then you can simply log out DoorDash on all of the devices that you or any other person would have logged in with. So in that case, the first thing to do is to open up a web browser In the URL box, type in www.doordash.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you are logged into your DoorDash account. And once you are, go to the upper left-hand corner and click on the horizontal bars. From the expanded menu, click on Account. Now, from the options displayed, click Change Password button at the top. And all you need to do now is to set a new password for your DoorDash account. If you or any other person has logged in with your DoorDash account in a different device, then changing the password will help you log out of DoorDash in all of those devices. Simply go ahead and type in your old password in the first text box. Now, head over to the new password box and type in the new password that you'd like to change to. Make sure to create a password that no one else can access. And now, head over to the last field where it says Confirm New Password and type in your new password one more time. Once both of the passwords in the New Password and Confirm New Password text box matches, click on Change My Password. Changing your password will log you out of DoorDash and every other devices that you've logged into. That way, you'll be able to protect your account from unauthorized access. If you want to delete your DoorDash account completely, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser and go to the URL box at the top and type in www.doordash.com and press enter. Make sure that you are logged into your DoorDash account you would want to delete. Once you're inside the main home page, click on the hamburger menu located at the top left-hand corner. From the options displayed, click Account. Now, click on the Manage Account link at the top right on the next page. You'll be able to see two options displayed on the next page. If you want to download some of the personal information so that you don't want to lose it, you can click on Request Archive. And to proceed deleting your account, click on the Delete Account link at the bottom of the screen. Go through the two-step verification process and type in the 6-digit code that has been sent on your mobile number registered with DoorDash. Once you enter your 6-digit code, click the Submit button. Once your mobile number has been verified, follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to delete your DoorDash account permanently. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.